Hey, 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 it's cleanup time. Grab a toy and fall in line. Tiny hands, it's time to play. Pick it up the tidy way. Pick it up, fingers strong and quick. Find a block or building rock, grab it, make it stick. Hold it tight, don't let it drop. Lift it high and then go plop. Pick it up, grab it just like that. Pop it in, pop it in. Hear the happy sound. Drop it in the basket, let it bounce around. Pop it in, pop it in. 1, 2, 3, you're a tidy up champ, just like me. Pick it up, pop it in, let's go again. Grab a spoon, grab a ball, maybe grab a bear. Scoop it, whoop it, and clean it with some flair. Find the toy that ran away. Chase it down and save the day. Grab it fast, don't let it win. Now pop it in! Pop it in, pop it in. Fill the bin with pride. Spin around and do a dance. Clap your hands real wide. Pop it in, pop it in. Scoop, drop, spin. Clean up school when we all join in. Pick it up, pop it in, you're doing great. Left hand, right hand, either one will do. Cleaning up is easy when it's fun for you. Try again if you drop it down. Every helper gets a crown. You're the king, you're the queen of the cleanup scene. Pop it in, pop it in. Hooray, hooray. You helped out in a big, big way. Pop it in, pop it in. Time to cheer. You're the cleanup star of the year. Whoever you pick it up, pop it in and give a big high five. Now we're done, it's looking neat. No more toys beneath our feet. Sing the song when play is through, because the tidy star is you. Woman!